Only took one look and I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws, and I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still.
Hello beautiful, welcome back. My cat says hello. No, she just left. Anyway, she says hi. I hope you guys are ready for the cold season, cause I'm not ready yet. I hate winter. I hate being cold. I hate fall. I mean, I don't really hate fall. I hate those days when it rains for 2 weeks straight. So I hate that too. I just love summer, you know, and I don't want summer to end. I mean, I'm not ready yet. Anyway, so to welcome the fall season, I created this makeup look. I'm so proud of how cute this turned out. Today I used the Latte 2 from Dominique Cosmetics and the Ein from beautybay, and the glitter you see in my inner corners is from the Crystal palette from Focallure. So this is all I used. I know I used a lot of palettes, but it is what it is. I didn't show you guys what makeup I used for my face makeup, but I'm going to have that listed down below. And without any further ado, sorry Mike, I hope you guys are ready for fall. I like this makeup look, but I don't like the fall season. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching.
I'm
this is the finished result. I hope you guys like it. I know I went a little bit crazy because, you know, I took my time. And oh my god, the hair is not cooperating today. I hope you guys are ready for fall and for the cold season, because I'm not. I don't want summer to end, like, ever. I hate cold. Oh, you can see my cat. She's so mean. Anyway, let me know down below what you guys think about this makeup look. If you like it, if you don't like it, let me know down below. I want to hear your opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.